millionaires, the reality of the matter is some people would not network with you only because you intimidate them. You make them feel like they're not doing enough. So when they're around you, they feel like they got to amp their game up, or they feel like they might be exposed, so they don't want to associate with you. Now, you could really help them. You could really benefit them, but they can't see it because all they looking at is, oh man, look how I look what I'm doing. Nah, man, we all got something we can change. We all changing constantly. I mean, no matter how good you get, it's still gonna be something negative about you can work on as long as you alive. So don't be intimidated by somebody who can really give you something, who can really help you. I'm open. I try to associate myself with millionaires. No, I'm not a millionaire, but I know they got something they can offer me, some wisdom, some type of game. Maybe I can use it and twerk it and apply it to my life. You know what I'm saying?